Hey friends, welcome back to Happiness Mouse Studio. If you're a blogger like me and you're looking to get a refund from your iCloud storage subscription, you're in the right place. Let's not waste any time, let's get straight into it. Step 1. Open your browser. Please don't forget to subscribe. First, open your browser, Google Chrome, Safari, whichever you like. Then type Apple subscription cancellation. Step 2. Click the right link. Now, click on the result that says Apple subscription refund. You'll see a link that says Apple support. Click that. Step 3. Sign in. Once the page opens, click on Sign in to report a problem. It might ask you to use Face ID or your Apple ID to log in. Go ahead and sign in. Step 4. Find your subscriptions. Once you're in, scroll down to see a list of all your subscriptions. Apple Music, iMovies, and in my case, iCloud storage. Step 5. Request the refund. Click on the subscription you want a refund for. Then choose Request a refund. You might need to click on Tell us more. A few options will pop up with reasons for the refund. Just pick the one that makes the most sense to you. Then click Submit. Step 6. Check status. Want to know when your money's coming back? Click on Check Status of Claims to see updates and refund dates. And that's it. Easy, right? If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next one.